My understanding is that he's been spotted in a Hawaiian shirt, walking and enjoying the good weather.
But Father Capon spotted a wounded Chinese officer. Till one day on a Korean road, he spotted the lieutenant again. Second, I'm signing a presidential memorandum directing the Department of Labor and our outstanding Secretary of Labor, Tom Perez, to require federal contractors to provide data about their employee compensation, so pay discrimination can be spotted more easily. And as he climbed through the debris, he spotted something in the rubble. It was a flag. As an adult, she spotted them from downtown LA on TV above the Rose Parade and from the stands at Dodger Stadium. Arif spotted an opportunity. He started a distribution company that specialized in halal meat to serve the growing Muslim population in Detroit.